Being in hot water with the IRS is no fun. You cringe every time the phone rings. Could it be that irritating IRS agent again, demanding the money you supposedly owe them? Your heart skips a beat whenever you hear the doorbell. Is it the IRS, but this time with an FBI escort serving you with a warrant on your past due taxes? And you lose hours of sleep. When will your bank accounts or property be seized? Listen, we're all familiar with the emotions you may be going through right now. The anger, the worry, and finally maybe even the denial. And the sad part is, it may not even be your fault. Maybe you were let go by your previous employer, right in the toughest job market since the Great Depression. Or maybe you had a serious illness in your family and you need to take care of that. Or perhaps the pressures of the current economy got too overwhelming for you. I know for a fact that this is happening to thousands of folks around the country right now. Good people like you. But here's the good news. Whatever the reason for your current IRS problems, we can help. My name's Jim Trippon, and I'm the founder of Trippon Co CPAs. For over 30 years, we've helped good people just like you get the IRS out of their lives. How can we do this for you? It's real simple. It just takes one phone call to get started. The number is 713-661-1040. You'll get a free initial consultation with one of our experienced tax professionals. We'll analyze your situation and give you the exact next steps you need to take to get the IRS off your back. Just think, one phone call to stop the IRS dead in its tracks. No more threatening letters. No more panic when the phone rings or when the doorbell sounds. And you can forget about your car being repossessed or your wages seized. A good night's sleep, maybe for the first time in weeks. Isn't that worth one simple phone call? Call us now, 713-661-1040. Oh yeah, one last thing. Perhaps you've seen those late night TV commercials from those companies claiming they can help you with your IRS tax problems. You probably know the ones I'm talking about. Well, let me give you these 3 words of advice. Do your homework. That means check out these companies with the Better Business Bureau and check out the number of complaints about them found on the web. Not to mention any names, but most of these companies have an F rating from the Better Business Bureau. One of the largest of these companies has 45 pages of consumer complaints against them. Another one of the top companies is being sued by the state attorney general for defrauding their clients. And still another is in deep trouble for not being upfront about their refund policy. Now, after you check them out, check us out, and I promise you, you'll see a very big difference. So the best way to get started is to call us right now at 713-661-1040. But if you'd like more information about selecting the right tax professional for your needs, we prepared a brand new report, which is yours totally free of charge. It's called the Top 10 Reasons You Should Hire a CPA and Not a Tax Relief Company to Solve Your IRS Tax Problem. It's yours simply for entering your email address in the form below. Now, you might be saying to yourself, wait a minute, isn't your firm a tax relief company? Well, actually, no. We're a CPA firm. And the fact is, we believe we can eliminate the IRS from your life and reduce your tax debt more efficiently than any of the best-known tax relief companies. And no, we don't operate as the typical tax relief firm. Our free report will explain our process in more detail. Our report will fill you in on all the scams going on out there to trap the unwary and how you can avoid being one of them. Also, you'll discover all the do's and don'ts about finding the right company to go to battle against the IRS for you. Now, we'd love to help you and honestly and ethically get you out of trouble. Give us a call at 713-661-1040 for a free initial consultation. Our friendly professionals will help you decide exactly what you need to do to eliminate the IRS from your life. Hopefully, we'll talk soon. Thanks, and good luck.